Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the SUMIF function. SUMIF allows users to get the sum of all the data that currently satisfy the criteria. Here's a syntax of what SUMIF function looks like. To further explain this function, let's go ahead and apply it to an example. For this example, we are getting the total quantity for chocolates here in our data. To start the SUMIF function, let's go ahead and type SUMIF. After typing, we are asked for the first term, which is range. This refers to the reference data that we are going to get chocolate from. In this case, it falls under the product category. Let's go ahead and select that column. Next, for the second term, we are asked for the criteria. In this case, since we're looking for chocolate, let's go ahead and choose chocolate for the criteria. This allows Excel to choose chocolate from the list that we just chose. So go ahead to the third term. For the sum range, we are asked which column do we get the sum from. This range is actually optional if the row you originally chose are made out of numbers. Since Excel cannot get the sum of string, let's go ahead and pick a proper column, which corresponds to the quantity, so Excel can get the sum of it. In this case, let's choose quantity. Now that we've chosen this quantity column, let's go ahead and close the function and press enter. And there we go. We got 107, which corresponds to 75 and 32. The sum of 75 and 32 falls under 107. And there you go. This is how we use the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel.